So the YouTube algorithm says the first few seconds of good intro makes the people to watch the whole video. So if that's true, I'm gonna try a good intro.
So I decided to do the 100 head drawing challenge, but I miserably failed on it and I ended up doing 50 head drawing challenge.
I got a client project to draw an image in cartoony superhero, and I have been working hard to transform drawing from image to cartoon style. But there is one major issue that cannot put any longer. Less practice. This was a huge bummer on my side to not to keep on practice drawing from an image to cartoon as me being a children's book illustrator. So, it's time to take the task and put it into action. Okay, this is the 100 head drawing challenge. Before deciding it to move it to the 50th head drawing, actually let's play the moment where I decided to make it into the 50th drawing. This is where we are on the 49th one, the 50th one, the final one. I'm thinking like, why don't I draw on a big frame? There's a lot of hope then. I was planning to do the 100 head drawing challenge and become the master of all the cartoon head drawing. But the bummer happens, you know why? Because when I actually decided to do the 100 head drawing practice, I was not planning to record it as a YouTube video. It's like a split-second decision. I made it happen. It has happened. As I was drawing, it came into my realization, it kicked me that it's not gonna happen. I mean, I won't be able to finish the 100 head before Wednesday. So the moment I changed it into 50. So think of this episode as a challenge for you guys. I welcome you all to take up this challenge and practice and draw the 50th head into a massive art piece like you. Okay, I'm gonna talk very slow because everybody's sleeping because it's only 4:39 here. I am on number 6 for the love of the art. I couldn't draw number 5, so I just scribbled it, that's all. But I think I'm still trying to draw semi-realistic. But I'm really happy with this one because for me, it's everything I want, like big head, small body, and simple eyes and eyebrows and nose. This is something I really like, but everything else I'm still doing, like I'm still trying to imitate as it is. Boo! I'm struggling. Clap, cha, cha, cha. It's not working at all. This is definitely not how I want to draw if I get a client. Top notch my game over here and draw correctly. This is where we are. We are on the 49th one, the 50th one, the final one. I'm thinking like, why don't I draw on a big frame? I'm looking through here, so I think the number 88, I think maybe I could try drawing that on a big canvas. Either it's going to be a big failure or it's going to be a success. Whichever it is, we are going to go for it. Okay, going for it. goodness gracious deliciousness. I finished within 1 hour 15 minutes. Oh my goodness, that is, I just wanted to finish it today so I can edit the video. But I was not planning this one, and oh my goodness, it just happened. Okay, let's see. Okay, first I will show you with the image. Okay, I'm gonna close the curtain so you can see. And there is the guys. That is the guy. That is the clay model sculpture, I think. Yeah, it is ceramic pottery something. So it's ceramic, and the ceramic turned into a character. Like, and I'm so happy. Okay. Okay, now this is where we started, and this is where we are now. I'm so happy. It's like super proud mommy here. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think if I try again 50 drawing and do one big 50 drawing, so then I think it will come easy when I see somebody, when a client asks me to draw on cartoon, cartoon style. So then it will be easy, and oh my goodness, super proud, super proud. I definitely recommend you guys to do the same method. Practice, I don't know, 100 maybe. Good thing I stick to 50 because I did draw the 50th one better, so maybe I will do this more. So that's it for this week, guys. I don't know when is the next video. I have videos, but I still need to edit a lot there because of the time is not there. I don't know if how it will be, but subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you won't miss whenever I'm uploading. I saw there are few new more subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. Welcome to Linsara Illustration family. You artists are the best. Thank you for watching as well. Any one of you watching me right now, if you're not subscribed to the channel, you better hit that subscription button, okay, and the notification bell on. I'm telling you. Okay guys, so you know what that's mean. We are gonna have a shot. I'm gonna give some b-roll of the end. Oh, there is a fly here. of the end art right.